हम देखते हैं स्विच मतलब क्या है guys? What do you mean by switch? स्विच क्या चीज है? What is this switch? आपको पता है if else if के बारे में पढ़े और else के बारे में पढ़े, the same thing you can convert into switch. यहाँ पे ना सी में ना एक चीज करने के लिए दो चीजें हैं, है ना? पाइथन में ऐसा नहीं, इसको हटा दिया, right? Python in Python they have taken down all those things. Okay, extra things only we don't want today, right? So that is what they have done it in Python. Right now, coming here, switch is just a keyword, right? Switch is just a keyword. यहाँ पे switch है, SWIT switch. Okay, switch एक block है guys. Okay, switch एक block है. Switch एक block है. Now what the switch will accept is it will accept one variable. It seems like a function. It is not a function. Okay, switch is a keyword and it is nothing but what it will. It has a parameter. Inside the parameter, it will accept some variable. ये वेरिएबल क्या होना है? ये वेरिएबल हमेशा इंटीजर टाइप होना है, इसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं है. दिस वेरिएबल ऑलवेज शुड बी अ इंटीजर टाइप ऑफ डेटा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. दिस इंटीजर शुड बी अ, दिस वेरिएबल शुड बी द डेटा, शुड बी अ इंटीजर टाइप ऑफ डेटा. In switch, guys, instead of if else if condition, you have something called as case keyword. You will be using case 1, you will use it. Case 2, you will use it, and case 3, you will use it. Like this, you will use it. To tell it as else, if any option they press it, it will go for the default case. Let's look onto this case. Let's look onto the programming itself, and over there itself, I'll explain to you. If you have any queries, you can go for it. Okay? Switch तो आसान हो जाएगा, but switch में जरा twisted questions पूछते हैं. देखो इधर guys, यहाँ पे एक बढ़िया सा एक प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं. We will write a beautiful program here. Okay? Now what does switch is? Okay, switch is just a keyword guys. यहाँ पे देखो switch. The color has been set. Okay guys. Switch is just a keyword, right? So this one accepts something. This switch, word accepts something. What is this? It will accept one variable, or you can also pass it a value, which is the integer type of data, right? Now, since it is an integer type of data, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it as something like this, guys. I'll just tell us int, maybe like variable. I'll take it. I want to read it. I'll use it scanf. We'll be using certain keywords. One is called as case, guys. Right? I'll just tell a case 1. I will tell it. I'll just tell us printf I am 1. I'll print it. Right? Printf I am 1. I will print it. Right, guys? I'll case 2. I'll print it. I'll printf. Right, guys? Printf I am 2. I'll print it. Right? As I just tell us like this. Case 3. Case 3, I'll tell it. Case 3, I'll tell it. I'll just tell us like this. Printf, I'll just tell us I am 3, I'll tell it. Right, guys? Now, listen up here, guys. Carefully listen up here. Now I'll run this program, guys. Now I'll run this program. When I run this program, okay, I will read 2 as the input, guys. Tell me, guys, what is the output I need to get it?
Sir,
Huh? Tell me what is the output? What's the output we get it? Okay. Okay. If I enter this, guys, I'm getting AM2 and AM3. Both the things I'm getting it. Why? Because as soon as I print 2, guys, I'm also going for the statement, guys. For example, if I tell it as 1, guys, if I tell it as like here 1, I will tell it. So from 1, entire thing it will print it. AM1, AM2, AM3. right? Now what we need to do is, if I want to only print one, guys, what I want to do is, as soon as I print this, I want to come out of the block. If I want to come out of the block, I'll be using a statement called as break. I'll be using it. After each statement, I'll be using it what break. For example, if I use this here, I'll run this program, right? I'll use it one now. What I'll print it, am1. After, as soon as I print am1, it'll use break, it will come out of the block. Now same thing, if I tell it 2, for 2 it will not come now. Why it will not come? Why it will not come, guys? Because no break here. So again, I want to use what? Break over here, right? I want to use what? Break over here, right, guys? If I run this program, so I'll be doing this. So if I tell it as like 2, so I'll be running this. And if I tell it as 3, for 3, guys, do I need break for 3, guys? Do I need the break for 3, guys? Already this person, after printing this one, he's going out. What if I tell get out after going? He's already out. He's going out. I'm telling him get out. Is that nice, guys? Is that needed, guys? Not needed, right? Without this also it will work it. Right, guys. Guys, right. I will use it. I will wait a second. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I will use it. Okay, so now what happens is user sarfira bhi ho sakta hai, right? So he can also enter 100 also, right? 100 also he can enter it, right? He can enter anything. He can enter 100 anything. At the time it is not printing anything. At that time we need to tell the user, telling that something like this, guys. Default I will tell it. At the time what I'll use it default. I will tell it as printf. I'll use it printf. Okay, not a valid one. Right, not a valid one. Now what I will do it, guys. Now if I tell this one, okay, so if I tell it as like 100 now, right, what will happen now? Deciding that not a valid one. It's coming correct now. You can print anything, any data you enter it will go for here now. It will check it whether it is matching or not. But there is one catch, guys. Look on here, guys. I will tell it as 3 now. What will print it will print I am 3, and again it will print I'm not valid one. Then what I need to use it, I want to use it here break. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? If I tell it as like 3, you got it. You got this picture clear? You got this picture clear, guys? Okay. Any queries still here? This is the normal this is just a normal switch statement.
Can we do it like the variable that we declared in switch? Can we use character that, like case A, case B, case C?
Variable you are telling, we will come across. So much you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll tell about it. Wait a second. All the possibilities will do that. Switch में इतना कर देंगे कि you will be not having any queries on it. This is just a start. Got it? Like a normal zindagi, aam zindagi, right? Okay. One more question is, can I have like this, guys? Can I have like this printf? I'll just sell it as like this. I'll just sell it as welcome. I'll tell it. Hello, guys. Can I have this one? What is the output? If I run this program, if I tell it like 1, tell me, guys, what is the output? What is the output?
Welcome, I'm 1.
Everyone, go for it.
Sir, welcome, and I am.
Welcome आएगा. Error you will get it. Okay. Syntax error. Why syntax error, Mohammed? Hi, sir. Okay. Welcome, it will not come. Welcome नहीं आएगा, sir. Case 1. Okay, so if I enter this, guys, if I enter this, welcome नहीं आएगा sir. Switch में हमेशा याद रखो, switch सबको ignore कर देगा. हमारे आपकी कृष्णा सबको इग्नोर कर देगी, बस केस के ऊपर ही ध्यान देगा उसका. Right? For example, look on your case, when your crush is coming, you will ignore everyone. बस crush के ऊपर ध्यान. That crush is nothing but what? Case. Got it? That crush is nothing but what? Case. Got it? ऐसे लगेगा whenever your crush walks, right? So everything will be like, सब कुछ रोक दिया है, कोई भी नहीं है, बस आप और वो, right? Something like this. Same thing. Switch जाएगा, बस case को ढूंढेगा ये. It will only search for one case. Done, done, done. The first priority is for case. Have a note on this. You do it any operation, it will never do it. Whatever it comes under the case and default, it will get it onto it. If you don't have anything inside the case, it will go for the default. Okay? Now we can do some unique things. Okay. Now I will run this program, guys. Now I'll run this program. I will tell it as 23. I will tell this. Now tell me, guys, what is the output?
Welcome.
Welcome नहीं आएगा. Welcome बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा.
कुछ भी नहीं आएगा.
Error? Why error?
डिफॉल्ट
सर डिफॉल्ट हमेशा मतलब स्विच केस में लास्ट में रहता है, उसको पहले डिक्लेयर ही नहीं कर सकते.
If I run this program,
सिंटैक्स एरर.
if I not a valid one, editor, I am one. Look on here. I told you it will ignore everything. It will ignore everything, whatever it comes. It will just check it out whether it is a case or a default. Got it? So अगर से यहाँ पे break है, ये दोनों को ignore तो कर दिया. So these two things are ignored. It will printf valid, and you don't have a break here, and it will print I am one, and again you will tell that break, it will come out. So what it will print it? Not a valid one, and I am one. Got this picture clear? Now क्या करना पड़ेगा? I will come here, I'll put it here. It can be anyhow, guys. It can be misplaced also. No problem with that. Okay? So it can be first, it can be last, it can be anyhow. No problem with that at all. Gotcha. So if I run this program now, so if it has like 56, and what will happen? It will print it not a valid one. Okay? One more thing, guys. Okay? Switch में ऐसे, like सिर्फ सर फिरे questions आएंगे इस तरह के करके. Okay? So it will break our head like anything. Oh, ये वाला क्या आएगा? That this like this. So I just don't want you to like suffer on it. So I'll cover it everything over here. Okay? Now one more thing is, can I have one more one, guys, here? And if I run this, can I have one more one here? Two case with the same name. Can we?
नो सर.
We can't have it. क्या मिलेगा? चलेगा नहीं, मुझे थप्पड़ मिलेगा. Whether I will get slap or what do we get? Error, guys. If we run this program, I'll get a beautiful error telling that duplicate case value. We cannot have a duplicate case values. Always remember this. Got it? Now what I'm gonna do is, has someone told, sir, can we use it like this, guys? Int a equals to 1, comma b equals to 2, c equals to 3. Right? Instead of 1, sir, can we use a here, sir? Can we use b here, sir? Can we use c here, sir? Okay, can we use c here, sir? Can we, sir? Can we use this, guys? A, B, C. Instead of 1, 2, 3, can we use A, B, C? Duplicate value, you cannot have it. Switch. Okay, we got to know about it. Can we have this one, guys?
No, sir.
Can we? Hey, kuch to bolo re. We are not playing Kon Banai Bhargavati, right? Tell it anyways. No problem.
होना तो चाहिए सर वैलिड
जी
होना तो चाहिए सही
होना चाहिए सही है ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ भाई साहब लाइक होना चाहिए सही होना चाहिए राइट राइट पकने दो ना पक गया if I run this program guys I will get a beautiful slap telling that what guys case label does not reduce to an integer constant we cannot have it got it gotcha guys case label does not reduce to an integer constant ये वाला error पढ़ो right does not pointing on to it. So that's the reason I want to tell it as 1 itself. I want to tell it as 2 itself. I want to tell it as 3 itself. Right? I want to tell it as 3 itself. Is that okay, guys? Now what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to tell it something like this, guys. Now tell me, guys, ये work होगा नहीं work होगा? What is it? What is the thing over here? So you cannot have a variables over here. So wow, someone asked the question, it got cleared now. Now tell me guys, what is the answer? Here also one, here also one. Can I have this? Can I have this?
No character.
No, sir.
Can I have this? Put in a comment. No? If I run this, if I tell it as like 1, what is the output?
I am 1.
I am one.
I am 1 or this one? I am 2.
I am 1.
No error nahi aayega. Same character, same type of data.
Sir, एक character है ना और integer.
Right? So if I run this program, I'm getting it what guys? I'm 1. Sir, ये तो character है ना sir. ये तो ये भी 1 है sir. But data type अलग है guys. ASCII value matter करता, right? ASCII value matter करता. If I tell it as 49 here, if I tell it as like what? 49 here. Now it is coming with for what? I am 2. इसका ASCII value क्या है guys? 49 है. एक बार फटाक से आपको एक ASCII value के बारे में बोल दूंगा. ठीक है? ASCII value के बारे में बात कर देता हूँ. For every character, whatever you see it in the system, you have a ASCII value. Now, what do you mean by ASCII value guys? There guys, you had a beautiful teacher in 10th standard. She used to come and she used to, like call your name by full name at the beginning days. After that few days, she started calling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? She had indirectly given for every name, she had given one number that is called as ASCII value. Why this ASCII value? Look on guys, system understands what guys? 1 and zeros, 1, 0, 1, 0. All right. What can we convert into 1, 0, 1, 0? 1, 0, 1, 0. This numbers can be converted into 1, 0, 1, 0. But this characters cannot convert into 1, 0, 1, 0 directly. Directly, I cannot convert it. What I'm going to do is for this character, I will give the number and then this number can convert to ASCII values. That's the reason they came up with a concept called as ASCII values. Now, for every character, you can see it in the keyboard, you have ASCII values. For example, I'll tell some important ASCII values, note it down. I tell it in a different way, but here I will give this straightforward thing. You have uppercase A. Uppercase A ASCII value is 65 and uppercase Z ASCII value is 90. Why it is 90 is 65 plus 26 alphabet and minus 1 because 65 also you're counting it. Same thing, lowercase a starts from 97 guys and ends till 122. Even numbers has a ASCII value guys. 0 has a ASCII value called as 48 and 9 has a ASCII value called as 57. 48 to 57. Got it? Even space has the ASCII value, space has the ASCII value, space has the ASCII value called as 32. all the symbol, whichever the symbol you can see it, everything has a ASCII value. Why ASCII value, guys? Because alphabets cannot convert into 1 and zeros. Numbers can be converted into 1 and zeros. So that's the reason you have the ASCII values. Now 65 can be stored in the form of what? 1 and zeros. Got it, guys. Gotcha. Guys, done? Okay. Now, what happens here? Here, this character is also nothing but an integer itself. Guys. That's the reason it is accepting it. Now, my question is, can I have a floating type of data? Can I have something like this, 1.1? Can I have like this, 2.2? Can we have like this, guys, 2.2? Can we have like this, guys? Can we? If I run this program, if I tell it as like this, it tell like that, case label does not reduce to the integer constant, 1.1, error. Case value does not reduce to the integer constant, error. Right? What is the main intention, guys? I want to have an integer number. At the beginning, I told you something, right? The same thing it needed now here. Right, guys? So how do you reduce this one to integer number, guys? I can also do something called as, we know this, integer. Can I write like this now? Can I write like
Yes, sir.
this? Yes or no?
Yes.
देखो टाइप कास्टिंग कहाँ मैं घुसा सकता हूँ, वहां घुसा रहा हूं मैं. Right now, look on your syntax error gone. I am 1. I am converting from float to a double to, this is double, guys. अच्छा यहाँ पे f था तो float, ये double है, ये float है. वर्ड हमेशा इसके ऊपर ध्यान रखना आप, वरना पछताओगे. Got it? So I am typecasting it. So you got to know the importance of the typecasting. It will converting from one type to another type. तुझे integer चाहिए, आजा मैं typecast कर लेता हूँ. I'm typecasting it. That's it. Right? और क्या कर सकते? हाँ बस है, इतना बस है, ले लो, इतना बस है. So anything comes news, you can, I hope you can manage it, remaining everything. ठीक है? Let me know once you are done with this. Hey guys, done? Done? Okay, guys. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is, okay, what we're gonna say, if you declare character, yeah, it will get executed. Character, it will get executed. Right? Character and integer placed in the same order. Got it? It is saying as ASCII value. Okay, it will execute it. Let's do the last 3 questions, guys, and we'll end the class, guys, for today. Okay? Let's do this 3 questions. Okay? This one is done. This one. Do it, guys. This one. हाँ, ये वाला मैंने नहीं किया, बोल दो क्या है करके. What is the output? Careful, listen it, and then you tell me the answer. Guys, done? You have 10. 5 plus 5. Hey, 5 plus 5, guys. 5 plus 5, enda. What it is? 5 plus 5 is 10. Nah. Case 10 it is. Right? What ASCII value different? This is also integer. This is also integer. 4. Here A is a variable. Yeah. Hannah. This will give you hello and okay, both the things, because after this you don't have a break. 5 plus 5 is 10. Look onto here, guys. Oh, 4, 4, 4. मैं सोचा you can do this. Then you're like, देखो इसको इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं हम. 2 को ना मैं 1 plus 1 भी लिख सकता हूँ. Right? If I tell us 1 plus 1, if I tell us 2, I'll run this program, guys. देखो इधर, guys. I am 2, guys. Yes or no? Yeah, silly. Right? Ah. The होश में ही नहीं रखते. Right? So you are answerable to Skillbout. You're answerable to Skillbout. Nah, you're like, nah, sir, aram se will do it. Right? Not even a single person told the right answer. I have explained like around like 20 minutes this concept. Oh. There, guys, all the concepts are really easy. Right? हाँ, यहाँ पे confuse होते हैं. यही चीज को हमको, like we need to take it out. That is where we come across. Right? You feel it, okay, switch easy. Ha, aram se will do it. But we haven't tried all those things. Trust me, honest. And this is what we go for it. Silly mistake happens. Few times you look on, guys, when you go for the interview, something happens like this. You are sure that 100% while writing the answer, this is only answer. You are pakka sure that 1 mark, at least I will get it in 10 now, I will get it 1 mark. After you come out, guys, people are discussing about the answers. Hiyo, this one I thought it will become 100% correct. This one only gone. Right? This happened to you guys? Many times happened to me, guys. I am like, okay, wow, this is the answer. I'm no 100%. After coming here, then it will become 100% wrong. Right? Then we will be like, oh, teri. Right? Okay, fine. Tell me the answer for this one, guys. At least for this one. Let's see it. What is the answer you give it? ध्यान से देखो. Good. Right? So it will get it what? Or it will get it case 2, and case 2 will come here, it will come to here, it will come to here. It will print case 2, guys. It will print case 3, guys. Whether it will print default, guys. My question is that one. Whether it will print default, guys. For exit from switch, it will print it, no problem. Whether it will print default, guys. Whether it will print default or not. That is what my question is. Yes or no? Because default, it is at the down part, right? Whether it is at the down part. Alright, whether it will print default, guys.
So it will not print default.
Are you sure 100%? A is equals to 2. Okay, A is equals to 2. It will come. It will print that default, case 2, case 3, exit from switch.
सर इसके पहले वाले प्रोग्राम में फिर क्यों नहीं एग्जीक्यूट किया डिफॉल्ट? वो भी तो फर्स्ट में था ना, तो वो भी एग्जीक्यूट होना चाहिए।
ब्रेक था ना।
अच्छा ओके हाँ
राइट। Oh, sorry. Wait a second. Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry, guys. So sorry. I'm so much sorry. मैंने बोला था कि यहाँ पे केस ही नहीं दिया ना मैं। Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, what is this? Case 2 and case 3. Sorry. My bad. Okay, if I go like this, now I will tell it as something like this. Okay, wait a second. I will go for 4 now. Now you tell me, guys, what is the output? Now you
default.
Now what are the output? Default or
exit from switch.
और फिर से presence of mind गायब आपका।
Sorry sir, break.
Case 2, case 3 है ना? Alright, it's an interpreter, guys. It's an interpreter. So it will search this one, it will search this one. Then it will come out of it. Right? So one by one. Right? और से यहाँ पे आ गया केस 3 आ गया, तो यहाँ पे केस 3 लेके बाहर चले जाएगा। ठीक है? Yes, no breaks. It was interpreter default will not print, or else here it will print. Done, guys. समझ गए? कहाँ पे वर्क करना है, कहाँ पे नहीं वर्क करना है करके, राइट? सो यू माइट बी कॉन्फिडेंट विद द स्विच केस। अरे यार स्विच केस है, बट आज हिला डाला ना, राइट? राइट। लास्ट क्वेश्चन, गाइस, टुडेस लास्ट क्वेश्चन। टेक डाउन दिस। ब्रेक, राइट। इसको तो बोल लेंगे आप, इसका तो आप बोलना ही है आंसर। अच्छा नहीं बोलेंगे ना, मैं मीटिंग एंड कर दूंगा। ध्यान से देखो गाइस, ध्यान से देखना। ध्यान से बोलो, ध्यान से देखो। थोड़ा लाइन बाय लाइन देखो ना, आपका आंसर सही नहीं जा रहा है। लाइन बाय लाइन सब लोग इसका सही कर दो ना प्लीज। बोलो गाइस, बोलो। आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कुछ गलती है करके, है ना?
सर ए लिखा है।
हाँ, ये क्या है? वेरिएबल है, तो क्या आएगा?
एरर आएगा।
एरर आएगा, राइट। एक एरर यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है, ये वाला नहीं चाहिए, ये वाला एरर नहीं, ये वाला एरर। हाँ, केस लेबल डज नॉट रिड्यूस टू इंटीजर कांस्टेंट। अब तो अनिकेश तो कंपाइलर ही बन गया है। अनिकेश इज एबल टू कंपाइलर इटसेल्फ, right? He's like, sir, ये वाला error आएगा. Right? That's nice. That's it for today, guys. Okay, that's it for today. So we are done with, here we go, we are done with our switch thing. Right? So मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ पूरे पूरे दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ, अच्छा जो भी आपसे आ गए ना क्वेश्चंस, you can do this. Right? And we are done with switch case.